Asofo beef oh, asofo beef. Spiritual beef oh, spiritual beef. Therefore, me mama kwa ba kese pa e de ba KSTV so. Therefore, me say obe subscribe na wa share na wa comment wo KSTV so. Na bibi to form wo intintan kese no so me de bebrem. Therefore, insem bi e ko so social ni media ne so a. Therefore, enya easy. We a pastor's beef. A pastor's pa beef pa na ko so no. Nancy a yetu abawie ya na we say about no hu say sam epeja ya asofo ni bi e ka say me na me hye nkom say NDC beba me na me hye nkom say NDC beba na odofo prophet Badu kobi asori so be kasa prophet Badu kobi was sorry pa if ubeka ya 4 years back and as 4 years ago Rev Owusu Bempah di nsemi betu dwa say prophet Badu kobi ekum ni babi akosie ni babi hu semsem okay yes na dwe 4 years ago no prophet Owusu Bempah beka sansem no prophet Badu kobi react yetu abawie ya NDC wini ye prophet Badu kobi react nza ya wonwa ye kure kotie insema 4 years ago Reverend Owusu Bempah kaye ni etie recently ya de prophet Badu kobi kaye ye kure kotie mbra sisi ya
Badu kobi bawuo ni nyina me kan ho asem esuma asofu bi fen sof ma me frida so ko kan kire Badu kobi se ne ba no ebewu na de ekoso no mempe enti won fa kwada ne mra Badu kobi amfi because omu ni ndi omu ko yenti na me pe one day ne ma bronsam so pa ma Ghana fo atiase ti mo mo fa me fore Badu kobi mu niama no.
But let me say this, and everybody take note. Anybody who said I killed my son, the person must be ready for court to prove it with evidence. Anybody who said I drink blood, they must get the evidence. I'm going to take them to court and they must prove it. Man of God, why are you not living it for God? God himself has told me, let the world hear before I also allow things to happen. Truth to come. If I had taken this matter, somebody is asking, why didn't you do it? Well, no, it was their time. They were controlling the course. That is why a woman's case, where some people took guns and things, they are walking free because it was their time. And let me tell Ghana, Godfrey Dame is my son. The Attorney General, he's my son. But I saw it was not good for that time. Why? That is their season. It is not, I'm not saying it's my season now, but I know this incoming government will allow the cause to work. So, whatever it is, we will get to know. You said, I went in the night, myself, Pastor Kennedy and other pastors, and removed the dead body. You must go and give us evidence when we went to remove, and come and show us where we came and placed that dead being, where it is. He said, we planted it in the church. Come and show us by evidence. If they don't show us, I will sue them amount they can pay. And next time, they will learn sense. When God sends you, you must also have wisdom. Ministry is not only power. It is power with what? Wisdom. So we will see if it is the truth. God bless all of you.
Asofo beef order for UTB. Nsa ho say 4 years ago Reverend Owusu Bempah eka sasem we fa prophet Badu kobi hu say we see ne ba no hu sensem no busa hu say adentina that 4 years ago no prophet Badu kobi anya den anfa Owusu Bempah ankokot prophet Badu kobi kire mu say that 4 years ago and I said 4 years back on na ye prophet Owusu Bempah na ban and was not just MPP aban. I don't for say I saw for no bia one political parties so I saw for no bia one political parties. Internet 4 years ago prophet Badu kobi entimi amfa prophet Owusu Bempah anko court and say na ban was not MPP aban was entimi amfa na anko court no. Na say ene say NDC win next on so prophet Badu kobi no na buy na power na dey say NDC aba power no prophet Badu kobi na buy na power enti afei no see or the prophet Owusu Bempah court over 4 years ago issue. I don't think far. My viewers, do you think far? KSTV viewers, no, do you think far? I say me, my dad, you have me tear say, Nessa Owusu Bempah by the war 4 years ago, and it's not went to me for court, no. And then, Prophet Badu kobi now by now power, NDC, Mahama power. You know, also, or the Owusu Bempah court. I Prophet Owusu Bempah when I miss call. Prophet Owusu Bempah, the nation's a prophet when I miss call. Prophet Badu kobi so or the who call Kojina court, no be trim. A kwanya unhu so okokutu ne befun. Ha, asana ya kredika. Arofo, me kamo so munko so munhwe KSTV. Say insem ye bedi akire pa, I bet you. KSTV, ye say afi we no hom, ye di insem bebrem. Insem ye bedi akire pa, ye bedi akire. Na bibi biro beto from be bebrem. Ye be kamo so mobile de ma koso subscribe, no ma share to KSTV. Na munja mo comment. Na ye bedi asem we akire pa, na bibi bia beto from no. Ye the bedroom. May come say, yes, Reverend Obofour so abebe kasa. Reverend Obofour me papa ko kwencheji wabe kasa. Unim. The next video no me the bedroom. Keep on and watch KSTV. Salute.